Now in this video we will know about acids, that what are acids. The commonest example of acid we come across every day are vinegar, the liquid in the car batteries, and the acid used for cleaning like bathroom acid. They are different acids but they have only one thing in common. What? They are corrosive. जितने भी एसिड्स होते हैं दे ऑल आर कोरोसिव. कोरोसिव मीन्स इफ दे फॉल ऑन एनी काइंड ऑफ आयरन मटेरियल, सो द आयरन विल स्टार्ट कोरोडिंग. जंग लगना शुरू हो जाएगा. कोरोशन मीन्स जंग लगना. सो द थिंग विल स्टार्ट डैमेजिंग फास्ट. दैट मीन्स दे corrode or eat away things. Be careful about the bathroom acid and the acid in the batteries. They are very very corrosive and can cause burns. Vinegar has a milder action, it does not cause us burn, but even vinegar can eat away the things. So what is happening? These acids are not good, but some acids are eatable like vinegar. In vinegar there is very less quantity, so we should use very less amount of vinegar in our food, not too much. So what is happening with these acids? If they fall on any parts of the body or anywhere, they starts burning or they eat away that thing on which they fall upon. So we should be take care while we are using this bathroom acids or acids in the car batteries, or vinegar is not having that much acidic nature. It is very milder action, means if it falls on hand, so it is not damaging our hand. Here one activity is given. Corrosion is a chemical reaction. ये जो corrosion है, that is a chemical reaction word. The acid reacts with the stuff it eats away, and one of the new substance formed is a gas. So here in the downside picture, one by one, the action of acid is shown. In the first one, what is done in the first one? In this glass there is vinegar and we have added one egg in this vinegar. So after 2-3 days, what will happen? The outermost cover of this egg will eaten up by the acid, that is vinegar present in the glass. You will find out that the outermost cover of the egg is not there, and the bubble present of the outermost surface of this egg, that is the gas. Now second reaction is shown here, marble chips and acid. As soon as you are adding marble chips into acid, it is getting more clean because the outermost surface of the marble is eaten up by the acid. Iron nail in acid. अगर हम आयरन का कोई भी सामान बारिश में खुले में रखते हैं तो उसमें जंग लगता है, लेकिन वो जंग धीरे धीरे लगता है. बट इफ़ वी आर एडिंग एनी आयरन नेल इनटू एनी एसिड, सो इट विल स्टार्ट कोरोशन वेरी फास्ट. बहुत जल्दी उसमें जंग लगना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, बिकॉज एसिड इज डूइंग दैट थिंग ओनली. नाउ टेस्टिंग ऑफ एसिड. थिंग्स कंटेन एसिड्स आर कॉल्ड एसिडिक सब्सटेंस. ऐसी जो भी चीज़ें होती हैं जिनमें एसिड प्रेजेंट हैं, दैट थिंग्स आर नोन एज एसिडिक सब्सटेंस. Many things in the house, including some things we eat, are acidic. You can make an indicator or tester to test which things are acidic. Indicator change the color when they are added to the acid and base. So here you can see some vegetables and fruits are shown. These vegetables and fruits consist some amount of acid, like tomato, like amla or imli, guava, orange. All these kinds are having acid in that. Now we will see how can we test that in these things acid is present. For that we need an indicator. Indicator is the thing which will change the color. Whether it is acid or base, it will change the color and lets you know that is it acid or base. Now here is an activity given in your book, that with the help of this activity you can easily find out that whether the given compound or given fruit or given vegetable is acid or what. So what you have to do here, you have to take some red rose petals and collect the juice, dilute the juice. Dilute the juice means juice where whatever solid substance you are getting after crushing it, add some amount of water. After adding some amount of water, it will be dilute. So what you have to do now, take a test tube. Okay, test tube is not available in your home, so you can take a glass of I can say कांच की glass लेनी है आपको. In that only you do this reaction. Don't take the plastic glass. Take the कांच वाली जो है ग्लास रहती है वही वाली लेनी है आपको. प्लास्टिक वाली ग्लासेस नहीं लेनी है. So test tube or an empty vial bottle of homeopathic medicine. Test tubes are glass tubes used in the laboratories. You can buy them from a chemist shop. No need to buy. You can do it in a glass also. The diluted juice is your indicator. अब आपके पास ये जो यहाँ पे दिख रहा है पिंक कलर का, like this type of liquid you are getting after crushing this rose, you are getting this kind of liquid. Now what you have to do, next step, take a small quantity of the liquid you want to test in another vial or test tube. Now what you have to do, use a clean dropper to add a few drops of the indicator to the liquid. आपको इस जूस को जो है थोड़ा सा यूज़ करना है, not so much amount. So here like we are going to test whether in this lemon there is acid or not. In this lemon there is acid or not. So what we will do, we will take 1 or 2 drop of this lemon and add 1 or 2 drop of lemon into this rose indicator. It is having some purple color. It will change the color into red. And what it is telling us, it is telling us that this is an acid, means in lemon there is acid. So here is an activity shown. So you have to do this activity at your home because all these things are available. Vinegar is available. Rice starch मीन्स जब हम चावल बनाते हैं तो चावल बनाने के टाइम जब उसमें जो वाटर रहता है थोड़ा सा पकने के बाद, दैट इज़ राइस स्टार्च. Carrot juice, you can take out carrot juice. Lemon juice also you can take out. Fizzy drinks like Coca-Cola or Pepsi, no need to, it is not compulsory. If it is available then do, otherwise leave it. Sugar solution is available. Saliva means in your mouth there is saliva. So you can test all these things with the help of this rose indicator which you have prepared previously. Rose indicator आपने जितना बना लिया है, you should not add full lemon into this only. No, use small amount from this because you need to test so many things. And then after adding this lemon, note down this color here. After adding vinegar into this, note down the color. After adding rice starch, note down the color and this, and then complete this table and note down in your copy. Now we will see next thing, that is base. Now what is base? Base are the chemicals opposite of acid. Like it cancels the effect of acid. You can say that acid and base cancel out. Acid and base cancel out. Means if this acid by mistake falls on your body or on your skin, so what you should do, you should add a base at that place. So what that base will do, that base will cancel out the effect of acid. Okay. Medicine called antacid, for example, contains a base. They are basic substance. They are given to cancel out the acidity when someone's stomach produces too much acid. So what is happening if a person is not eating for a long time, so there is too much acid collects in his stomach, or sometimes our stomach start producing too much acid. So some people used to say that we are having acidity. So those who are having acidity, the doctor used to give them a medicine that is antacid. This antacid is a kind of base. This antacid is a kind of base. So what this antacid is doing, this antacid is going into the stomach and cancels the effect of the acid which is causing, means which is जिसके कारण आपको स्टमक में पेन हो रहा था, with that is cancelling out the effect of acid and relax. Our stomach normally produce some acid to help in digestion. This we have already discussed in digestive system, that our stomach is producing some kind of acid because these acids help in digestion. Too much of it, however, can create digestive problem. It can even eat away the linings of the stomach. अगर आपके stomach में बहुत ज़्यादा acid produce होना चालू हो गया है, so what it can do, it can create digestive problem also, and it can eat away the linings of the stomach. So it is not good for you and not good for the stomach. Now there are some substance like toothpaste that is containing base. अगर आपके स्किन पे कहीं एसिड गिर जाता है, so what you should do, you can add a toothpaste so that the swelling of the burning area can be bring down. So toothpaste consists base. This cancels out the effect of the acid produced by the bacteria in the mouth. Do you remember that the acid produced by bacteria can eat away our teeth? Detergent, soap, household cleaners and toilets cleaners are some other basic substance. All this soap and detergents are the basic substance. Okay, so what this is doing, they are cancelling out the effect of acid. Now here whatever toothpaste we are using, that toothpaste is containing base, and that base what is doing, in our mouth there are some acids produced by the bacteria. So this base present in the toothpaste is cancelling out the effect of the acid. Now again there is an activity given. You can use Roche indicator to test the base. If the liquid you are testing is basic in nature, it will turn green when you add an indicator. So here you have prepared already Roche indicator. You have to use basic substance. What are the basic substance? Like Colgate, detergent, soap. So here is detergent solution. When you are adding this Roche indicator to the detergent solution, it is giving somewhat green color. Another indicator you can use is turmeric. Turmeric means haldi. इसको भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So when you are adding a basic substance into the turmeric liquid, it is giving you the red color. So here it will turn yellow. It will turn yellow. So for testing we need very few drops, not too much amount, like 1 glass you are taking. No, very few drops also shows the reaction. Here one table is given. You can do this activity by yourself, like antacid if it is available in your home. So add this antacid, very small amount of antacid, with the Roche indicator or with the turmeric indicator, and find out the colors. Add toothpaste plus water with the Roche indicator and with the turmeric indicator. Then detergent water with the Roche indicator and with the turmeric indicator. Antiseptic lotion, lime, all these things you have to check with Roche indicator as well as turmeric indicator, and note down the color here. In this video only this much. Rest of the thing of this chapter we will see in the next video. Thank you for watching the video.